Mentally connect with your Ishtadevam, Kuladevam, your guardian angels, all your Devatas, your Guru Mandala, Siddha Mandala, masters, teachers, and all the positive energy who are helping in your journey of life. Now, we are going to thank all the beautiful things which is happening in our life. The thanking is a very good emotion. The grateful feeling will attract more and more beautiful things in our life. First of all, it gives a calm, it gives a self of satisfaction when you thank the things which you have in your life. What do you have in your life? Do you have a perfect body, health? You might not be in a perfect figure, but the body, the energy, the daily you are waking up, all your organs are functioning properly. There could be a moments when people complimented you. Daily you are able to sleep and wake up. You are able to eat and it digest. Thankful for all the organs the body is having right now and which is functioning for you. Thankful for each and every cell of you, all the genes, all the organs, the blood, bone, anything and everything inside your body. You are not only your body, it is your body plus mind. Now thank your mind, which is functioning properly. Thank all your emotions, thoughts, feelings, your conscious mind, your unconscious mind, your bodhidharma mind, your superconscious mind, the mind which is connected to the universe. As you connected to the superconscious mind, now thank the universe, the Prabhanjam, the universe, the stars in the universe, the galaxies in the universe, the planets, Navagrahams in the universe, all the positive forces just helping you to push forward each and every day. Thank everything. As you're thanking the outer space, now thank your inner space, your house, the every nook and corner of your house. How it makes you cozy, how it makes you relaxed feeling, the security feeling, being at home. Mentally thank your house and bless your house for all the happiness it has given you. There could be so much of items in your house which is helping you in every day and out. Thank everything. Thank your helpers, the maids. Thank the helpers in the society which you live. Thank your inmates of the house. They are the energies whom you are daily mingling with. Your peace and your happiness, it's not just yours. It's also belongs to them. Thank them. Thank your relatives, your extended families, your friends, their families, your neighbors, your colleagues. They're all giving you peace of mind. They're all giving you support, mental support, physical support. Thank them and bless them all. Bless your family, bless your extended family, your colleagues, your neighbors, your friends, their families. Let them all be at peace. Let them all be happiness. Let them all enjoy whatever they want in life. A perfect health, finances, relationship, travel, tour, job security, everything. Let them all enjoy everything. Now connect with your job or your source of income or the person who is giving you money. Thank your money. Thank the money which is coming in. Thank your money which you are able to spend. Thank it and bless the money for all the beautiful things it is doing to you. How happy and relaxed. Even if you have a loan, bless that loan. When you bless all these things, the money's inflow is going to be more. We never know, you may finish your loan very fast. Bless your money. Thank the money. Now, connect with all the travels, all the trips you have done. So beautiful things, wonderful occasions. It could be just a coffee shop, or it could be a marriage, or a destination wedding, or could be a travel. Think of each moment's beautiful moments and thank each of it. Thank you, thank you, thank you for making my life so positive, so powerful, so happy and blessed. May the happiness which you have given me be multifold written to you. You might think, why are you blessing the occasions? But bless it. And go to the people, every people who needs these occasions. Now, connect with the inner feeling of yours, the smile in your face, the positive attitude, the energy which you are holding, the routines you are following, the discipline which you are having. Even if you don't have any discipline, something you are following, right? Thank each of those moments, each of those routines. The thank all the things which makes your life meaningful. Now thank the God, Goddess, their connection, the spirituality which you are holding, the meaning of your life, the purpose of your life. Thank the soul which you are. Thank the divinity in you. Thank the divinity in each one of everybody. Thank the earth. Thank everything and anything. Thank everything which comes in your mind. Any special every special occasion, any person, every person. Now, let's shower our blessings to every human being, every plant, every animal, to everything in the earth. I am blessing you all with loads and loads of happiness, loads and loads of positive moments, loads and loads of energy. Let the healing energy flow to all of us and bless all of us whatever we need in our life, whether it is relationship, whether it is health, whether it is marriage, whether it is positive attitude, whether it is lot and lot of money or a travel. Let everything comes to every one of us. God bless all of us. God bless all of us. All the best for the beautiful future. Thank you, 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 thank you.